Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to uninstall VLC Media Player in Windows 10. So if you're thinking of installing VLC Media Player, this video is going to help you in doing that. First of all you have to do is just press Windows and the X button at the same time. Now in here you have to click on Apps and Features, the first one, and you will actually go to the Apps and Features, and from here you have to click on this box and write VLC Media Player or just VLC. Okay, now in here you have to click on VLC Media Player and click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. So after you have clicked uninstall twice, you will be prompted with the uninstallation box. If this method does not work, there's another way you can do it, and that way is you have to go to the search bar and you have to write control panel. After writing control panel, you will find the app control panel and click on it. Now in here it will not look like this because it will be in the category, so it will look like this. All you have to do is you have to change the category to large icons. Now from here you have to go to programs and features. Now all you have to do is you have to scroll down and find VLC Media Player. So we can see the last one for us is the VLC Media Player, so I'm going to select it and you have to select it too. Then you have to click uninstall or change, that is here. Now we have the installation box right here, so I'm just going to close this. Okay, now in the installation box you have to click next, and if you want to delete preferences and cache you can also do that, so I'm going to do that. But if you don't want to, like if you're going to delete VLC Media Player forever, you can check this box. But if you want to reinstall or install another version of VLC Player, don't do this because you might want to keep the settings that you have preserved. So I'm just going to delete all the preferences and cache, and after you have selected that or did not, click uninstall. So it should not take more than a minute or so, and we have finished, and click on finish. So that's how you can uninstall VLC Media Player on Windows 10. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you have any kind of problems, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.